Hello guys, this is teacher Alfonso Perez. Today we're working Unit 3, Interchange 1. We're talking about comparative forms, comparisons. Let's start with our conversation, okay? And here I'm showing to you the grammar box from Interchange 1, 4th edition. When we talk about preference, comparison with adjective, we have which sweater do you prefer? I prefer the blue one. For short adjective, at ER. It's nicer than the green one. I like the blue one more, so you use prettier for pretty, you change a Y for I, prettier. I like the blue one better. Okay, so better is a comparative form for good. And more stylish, okay, stylish is long adjective, you say more stylish. So cheap, short, at ER, cheaper. Repeat with me, cheaper. Nice, at only R. Repeat with me, nice or pretty. Change Y for I, prettier. Repeat with me, prettier. Big, as a vowel between two consonants. You add the final vowel and you add ER, bigger, bigger. Okay, let's take a look at another presentation. Okay, and let's see some of the adjectives. Which one are irregular, long or short? So good. Is irregular, short or long? Is irregular. What is the comparative form for good? Better, new. What is the comparative form for new? Is short, is long, or irregular? Is short, newer. Long is short, longer. Great is short, greater. Old is short, older. So we say here newer, longer, greater, older. For big, you double the G, you say bigger. High, you say higher. For good, you say for good, you use your regular form, better. Okay, for some adjectives that they have more vowel sounds, we say more different. Small is short, you say smaller. Big, large, you add R, larger. For early, you change Y for I, earlier. For young, ER, younger. For important, you say more important. For bad, you use a form, the regular one, words. Regular means it's different. Okay, let's take a look at the rules here. We have three categories. The natural form for an adjective is positive, strong. The comparative is when you have two objects. My brother is stronger than me. And the superlative means superior. My brother is the strongest. Strongest, so it's the only one. Small, smaller, or superlative, smallest. Late, later, so comparative, superlative, latest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, double the final consonant, vowel between two consonants, thinner, and thin, thinnest. Fat, fatter, and fattest. By the way, when you double the consonant, the vowel sound is shortened. Fat becomes fatter, you use a schwa. And when you have the est, the e sound, e is pronounced like it, is. Okay, then we have more. So here we have this adjective that end in y, er, o, w, and here. So you say positive, easy, comparative, easier, superlative, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Narrow, narrower, narrowest. Then we have the long adjectives. You have the word more from comparative and most, which is a diphthong. Oh, look at my lips. Oh, most. So we say careful, positive, very more careful, superlative, most careful. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Tired, more tired, most tired. Terrible, more terrible, most terrible. Okay, so we have a question. Which dress is more expensive? Which dress is the most expensive we're talking about? in the group, the category. Okay, let's do an exercise here. A page I really like. Okay, we have here my father. My father is, what kind of adjective is old? Old is a short one. You need to set that. Older, older than my mother. Chinese, then English difficult, so it's a long one. You say difficult. It's more difficult than English. You have the word near, so it's a short one. You say Jane lives nearer or more near. So you say nearer, the nearer, okay? Bad, you say the car is worse because it's irregular. Irregular means it's different than we thought. Dangerous is a long adjective, so that we use the word dangerous. Okay, more. And dogs more are more intelligent. Intelligent. Sorry. Intelligent. So one of the things I advise you to do, guys, is that you know the rules, you remember the rules, and recap the rules. Long adjective, short adjective, and irregular ones. Memorize them. Thank you for your time. This was me. It was a pleasure to be here with you. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.